have to do is the other guy that's in there, they're going to open the door. And he's going to put his hand on the door so it doesn't hit the side of the trailer. And then the guy that's driving it right now, he's going to slide down into the floorboard and slide underneath the door to get out and crawl on the floor.
Because it's so tight in there that they can't, like...
Right, because they can't get the doors open. So the wider you make the car, the harder it is for them to get out.
Good to see you.